Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda Fernandez Conde. The water boats a beautiful place to breathe fresh air, peace, and tranquility. Introduction of the place. The Picol water boats a place full of harmony, peace, tranquility, surrounded by a lot of nature. Pure and fresh water that you would like to visit again. It is located 3 kilometers from the urban area of Picol. This place demonstrates the beauty of nature, the fauna, and the extreme sport that can be done in it. The water is warm. You can enjoy everything that this place offers, but above all the natural waterfalls. Duration of the trip. The trip can last from 1 night to 2 days so that you can enjoy everything that this place offers. The first thing you can do is hire a tour guide to be able to tour the entire place. It is history and also take the best photos and enjoy nature. Then you can have lunch at point near the place. Likewise, in the afternoon, you can bathe in the Kate and Bridge French air. At night, you will find the best places to camp, dine, and read the next day that you can go writing on the beach, river, and cabin. In the afternoon, there will be any type of drink to refresh you and have a pleasant time as well as public transportation that will take you with the best comfort and with a good snack that you can enjoy with your family or alone. Mean, mean of transportation. During the trip, it can the yachts as a bit of transport, motorcycle, car, or buses. Activities to do. Tourists can enjoy activities such as caving, rafting on the Payes River, camping, swimming in the Cates, all kinds of typical food and drink, and nearby hotels services. Please to state, when you arrive at the place, you can stay in cabins, nearby hotels, or camping with the best view. Typical food. During the stay, they can consume food and drinks such as stemale, as wild fish and kitchen, sancocho, chocolate, coffee, water, soda, michelada, guarapo, of meal, cebada, and beers. Cons. Cons. The cons of the packet is priced at to Thai 0,000 Colombian pesos. Uh, thank you.